Hi guys, Telegram is not sending the confirmation code on your iPhone. Let me help you to fix this problem. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and follow my lead. First off, try to go to Settings, Mobile Data or Cellular Data. Make sure that mobile data is enabled. Now go to Mobile Data Options and enable data roaming. And now try request the Telegram code again. If the problem persists, go to Settings, scroll down to Apps, go to Apps, now find Messages, and switch off iMessage feature. Now restart your iPhone, go back here and switch iMessage on back again and try to request Telegram code. If that didn't help, go back to Settings, once again Apps, and once again Messages, and this time scroll down a little bit more until you see Filter Unknown Senders and make sure that this feature is off. If it's enabled, disable this feature and try to request the Telegram code once again. If you still haven't get a code, you can try to use VPN. First, you need to install a VPN application from App Store. For example, this one is free with ads, so install this application, open and set up this application, give all permissions and wait for it. Now tap on Connect, proceed with ads. Now you're connected. Now go back to Telegram and try to request a code. As a last resort, you can try to reinstall Telegram. Just tap and hold on the icon, remove app and get it once again from App Store. Or if you have a physical SIM in your iPhone, try to insert this SIM into another phone, let's say Android device, and just open Telegram. Enter your number and manually enter a code from another phone in the application. But guys, sometimes the code doesn't arrive simply because Telegram is undergoing technical maintenance, so maybe you need just to try again later and everything's gonna be alright. And that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.